Hi everyone, today we will start a new chapter, Functions. Let's get started with 1.1 Relations. A relation is any sets of points which connect two variables. The relation between two sets can be represented in three ways. The first way is by using an arrow diagram. The second way is by using ordered pairs. And the third way is by using Cartesian graph. Here we have some example of how they looks like. In a relation between set A and set B, the first set, set A, is known as the domain. The second set, set B, is known as the codomain. The elements in the domain are known as objects, whereas the element in a codomain are known as images. The set of images that link to the objects is known as range. Here we have example of discrete function and continuous function. Usually the domain is represented by the x-axis, while the range and images are represented by the y-axis. Let's look at the example 1.1.1. Determine the domain, codomain, and range of the following functions. Example A is a Cartesian graph. Let's trace back the point so that we can look at the value. The first point is negative 2, 1. The second point is negative 1, 5. The third point is 0, 3. The fourth point is 2, 3. And the last point is 4, 4. For the domain is the x value. We have negative 2, negative 1, 0, 2, and 4. For the codomain, we will have the y value, which is 1, 3, 4, and 5. Range is the images that are linked to the object. For this case, our range will be the same as our codomain. We have 1, 3, 4, and 5. Example B is an arrow diagram. First set is set X and second set is set Y. They are connected by the function G. Our domain will be J, K, L, M. Codomain will be all the images. We have 2, 3, 6, 7, and 10. And range consists of the images that are connected to the object. We have 3 and 7 only. Example C is also a Cartesian graph for continuous function. In this case, our domain will be the x value for the whole graph, which is from negative 3 until 5. This is how we write the domain for a continuous cases. The codomain is fx or y, and we can see the highest value is a 6 and the lowest value is a 2. So our fx is between 2 and 6. The range will be the same as the codomain. We have 4 types of relation in total. The first one is one-to-one relation. Each object is linked to one image only. The second type is one-to-many relation. One objects, they can link to more than one images. They might link to one or more than one. So in this case, they are called one-to-many relation. The third one is many-to-one relation, meaning more than one objects are linked to the same image. And the last one is many-to-many relation. So many-to-many relation is the combination of one-to-many relation and also many-to-one relation. So let's do some exercise so that we can understand better what we just learned. You can pause the video and try the questions yourself first before we discuss the solution. Question 1. Based on the above arrow diagram, state A, the set of ordered pairs, and B, the objects of 4. Let's open the curly bracket. 16 is connect to 4, so we write 16, 4. 36 is connect to 4 and also 6. So here we have two pairs, 36, 4, 36, 6. And the next one, 49 is connected to 7. And the next one, 64, is connected to 4 and 8. So same thing, we'll have two pairs here, 64, 4, 64, 8. State the object of 4. So here, we want to find the objects of 4, meaning 4 is the image. 4 is the image, so we can see 16, 36, and 64 are linked to 4. The objects of 4 will be 16, 36, and 64. Question 2. The arrow diagram below shows the relation between set A and set B. State the range of the relation and the type of relation. So the range consists only the images that are linked to the object. In this case, only A and E are linked to the objects. A, our range will be A and E. The type of relation, we can see X is connected to A, Y is also connected to A, Z is connected to E. So in this case, X and Y both are linked to A. So in this case, we call them many-to-one relation. Question 3. Set M consists of 3, 4, and 5. Set N consists of 4, 6, 7, 9, and 10. Based on the above information, M and N are connected by the ordered pairs 3, 4, 3, 7, 4, 6, and 6, 9. State the images of 3. 3 is the object. When 3 is the object, we have 4 and 7 as the images. So the images will be 4 and 7. Objects of 6, in this case, 6 is the image, this one. So we have 4 as the object. Question 4. It is given that X has the element of 0, 1, 2, and 3, and Y has the element of 1, 3, 5, 7, and 8. The ordered pair linking X to Y is given by the set Y equals to 2X plus 1. Represent the relation by ordered pairs, an arrow diagram, and also Cartesian graph. Hence, state the domain, codomain, objects of 1, of 3, of 5, of 7, the image of 0, of 1, of 2, and of 3, and also the range of the relation. So remember, this is the function, 2x plus 1. the first one is a 0. So when we substitute x equals to 0, we have the y value 1. So 0, 1. When we put 1 inside the x, 2 times 1 plus 1, we have 3. 1, 3. When we substitute 2 into the x, 2, 2, 4 plus 1, 5. And 3, 2, 3, 6 plus 1, 7. Okay, so that's it. An arrow diagram. So let's draw two sets, set x, set y. For x, we have the element 0, element 1, 2, and 3. Set y, we have 1, 3, 5, 7, and 8. 0 is linked to 1. 1 is linked to 3. 2 is linked to 5. And 3 is linked to 7. And the relation y equals to 2x plus 1. Okay, so C, let's draw the Cartesian graph. For x, we have 0, 1, 2, 3. For y, we have a value up to 8. This is 4, 8. Let's plot the point 0, 1, 1, 3, 2, 5, 3, 7. Okay, next, the domain. The domain will be the element in set x. So we have 0, 1, 2, and 3. Codomain will consist of the element in the set y, all the elements in the set y. So it will be 1, 3, 5, 7, and 8. For C, we need the objects of 1, 3, 5, and 7. For this one, I will just write the value on top. 1, 3, 5, and 7, they are the images. So the image is a 1, the object will be a 0. When the image is a 3, the object is a 1. When the image is a 5, the object is 2. When the image is a 7, the object is 3. For the next one, the image of 0, 1, 2, and 3. The 0, 1, 2, and 3, they are the objects. When the object is a 0, image is a 1. When the object is 1, the image is a 3. When the object is 2, the image is a 5. When the object is 3, the image is a 7. And lastly, they're asking for the range. In this case, we have only 1, 3, 5, and 7. 8 is not included. So that's it for our lessons today. Hope it will help you in your study. See you again next time.